Creating a lot of curiosity in your mind. I was the Director General of Police Assam, Indian Police Service. I retired in 2019 this November. After that, I was elected as the President of Asam Sahitya Sabha, and like that. Anyway, so now I'm in last February I'm out of Asam Sahitya Sabha, and basically I'm into a children magazine now, editor-in-chief in Assam. So this is all about me. Now, why I choose to come here? It is because of the fact that when I was President of Asam Sahitya Sabha, we had a regular talk with Kokborok Sahitya Sabha people. My only, in Assam we have a lot of Sahitya Sabhas of different indigenous groups of people like Dimasa, Garo, and Garbi, a lot of other groups. They have the Sahitya Sabhas, and I was interested in bringing them all together. We held meetings, discussed about how we can actually do some good work to for the development of languages which are spoken by few people. So the smaller languages, how we can take them ahead. That was the issue. That is how because he has come to meet me there as a president also, both the presidents talked about. And when I mentioned that I was having a discussion with Kokborok in social media, in fact, a lot of support came. They said that it is a very good thing to bring all the smaller languages together and do something good about it. Because I have been advocating one very important aspect, that in the Northeast is like a garden of languages and cultures. Northeast looks like absolutely a blooming garden of languages. And very small, there are languages where few people only speak. There are languages where there are a lot of people speaking on that. Now, if we allow the smaller languages to die out, if we allow smaller languages not to develop and evolve, then what will happen? When a language dies, the culture, the identity of the particular group dies, right? Number one. Number two, because we do believe that language and identity of any group are interrelated. Now, secondly, the knowledge, the indigenous knowledge of any language also die out with the death of a language. So that is why I have suggested earlier also in all other seminars and all that all the smaller languages must develop, because there is no good language or bad language in the world. The language which can express your sentiment, which can express your emotions, which can communicate, which can take you to which can make you connect with the society is a language, right? So there is no good, no bad. Every language is good in the sense that it at least has the ethos and pathos and the communicative skills of a particular group of people. That is why we must ensure that the languages thrive and develop. And Kokborok is the language has to be developed over time, because a lot of people like all of you have been working on it, and the script issue is already there. All such things will come up. In fact, the Assamese language is also full of tribal words. It was said that more than 50% of the tribal words are enriching the Assamese language. So what it means? It means that no language thrives alone, even English language being enriched by other languages. So if Kokborok develops, then all other languages which interact with it also develop, right? So there is an interconnectivity between different languages. So that is why when Vikas was telling me that in the Sahitya Academy meeting in Delhi that we want to hold such a seminar, I said very good. If you call me, I'll come, because I want to meet the Kokborok people kokborok speaking people, because I have never come here earlier. I'm very glad to see your enthusiasm. All the young fellows, all of you have come out to see that your struggle, gives some fruit for the development and evolution of the language. In fact, you will probably talk about the translation as well, right? So I'll just say two words in translation. Translation will definitely, it's like a bridge which connects different civilizations, different cultures. So what I mean to say is, please make it a point that translations are very down, and translation is not a very easy task. This bridge will take you to outside. This bridge of people like you, so that your language expresses of. Say for example, just as an example, say Greek language has 4 words to understand, to mean love. But in Arabic there are 11 words. So if you go to Iceland, there will be more than 50 words which will be attached to it, ice, meaning to say a particular type of snow. They will have around 50 plus words in Iceland. So these are the some local variations, local culture, local emotions, or are to be connected with translation capacity. So I think I have already crossed the goodwill to all of you, and I will be leaving today because I have some meeting tomorrow in Guwahati. All the best, and the next time whenever I come here, I will see some good work done by kokborok. I am looking forward to that. Thank you.